Ahee, namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga. I'm not lazy. Channel, of course, all them today I psycho man, psychology. Of course, ngata ikhe link na J John. Then I'm of course it ikhe tela Shama combo. Yeah, so in relation to this very previous commission updating already. Loss on quantum with some psycho, you're like Jumana, we wanna you know we and one in a confidence this year and stuff like that. By one Makaliwa. However, of course, at the 21st March, not I mean, I was mentioned by Livo and Nico, as you can see, around the mission can be of course, I'm directed to page psychology because the following day I'm gonna very because at the 20th March if you got a poster and update. Yeah, as you can see, like a big boom, as you can see. Okay. Yeah, so if you like on show go, you post in Kavaya and it's a run go. Then of course, I figure one of folks psychology featuring J John the Big Babe. Okay. J John very mundo angaka high rotation ever since for me similar shows area. Yes, you like understand but na J John featuring roller similar shows very like high rotation and stuff like that. From there, I can be madzungan and very so like high rotation. So I was like, Messiah go show you Juma almost. Is it like John high rotation? I was like, okay. So no can trust to come back a single most because here is psychology featuring J John the Big Baby and one other information come back a single for now and then one album not but hey, competing at some cycle, man. Gender no very get in the hem, but since J John Ibalaga Cedra, Laga Electro, maybe from beside line Electro. Yeah, but the only thing I better not Zungan and J John, and Gashuko Imbella Kanaka, Liniam Psycho, Yan Zumba, and this. So that you want to generate from Sawin because I say you want more details and stuff like that. Oh, so you look Jum Psycho. I was like, okay, I did not see this coming. Koringa Yaterna J John, yeah. In that aspect, but side single I shouldn't get surprising go look over a single insane. Yeah, look over album. I did not see this coming in terms of Yahoo. I thought my album and stuff like that. No, I'm not so I'm not psycho. I care in the to come along with that take out that take yeah, because look recall Cloud comes up nega album with a Kaguna and Blaze Boy. So, hey, Kurung Children by Salonga. Right rotation got the albums la man or got the projects and then of course okay Takashama combo we have some great news about him Ashlu Karaten just wait for it as you can see, so Shama Combo as you can see, of course at the 20th March, Rain of course Rashi go this year like 2 million views. As you can see, congratulations to him. Because run 2 million 313 views as you can see. So congratulations to him. What they do, yeah, being fast as you can see. So, congratulations to him. I really congratulate you at the latest line in the oh, yeah, that's just I'm not going to pause. I am funny on the on to know with the because if you get it, like some Rashama Combola, Makalia. Ramarash being a Latin.
Chama combo wanama, nakota bizara wanama, nakota kizima wanama.
Amarai aprende. Ashi pakelo lantis, ashi paken shnen.
Chama combo wanama, logo nekota tira kwamita kamza merila.
Mas fica from 2024. Yeah, oh, escapa ya kan the main section very well.
Wanna say Jamali sono, I am a seven kumile shikote, shikote, shikote. I
Hayi, congratulations xa makhombo, hayi tirheni swinene. Massive respect, yeah. So hi leswo loko u ri amukeza vusikabani ta kombela mi teka subscribe.